So for today's routine, go ahead and sit towards the edge of your couch, and we're going to go ahead and do abs. So lean back, and you're going to pick up the legs, and then let's see. Let's do single leg first, and you can hold on to the edge of your couch if you are not particularly strong in your abs, or you can take your hands above your head. Well, I actually didn't get them above my head so well, but I kind of wanted to put them out to here, but then I guess that works. It was kind of blocking my view at one point, but there we go. Okay? Alright, that's single legs, and then just rest for a second. Okay? And then let's go back again. If you really wanted to be savage, you could have just stayed back the whole time. Oops, almost did the same thing again. And let's do double legs. You can take your hands up if you'd like. Once more. I already did some ab routines earlier, so this is like really hard for me right now. Oh, okay. Alright, and then take a second again to rest. So next we're going to be doing straight leg lifts, and yeah, even doing it on your couch, it's not easy at all. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to come forward just a little bit more, and let's do some, I think, leg crosses, but this will definitely make your abs work because you're having to lift your legs up, and it's definitely going to incorporate your lower abs, and really all the abs, all the way up and down. Alright, and then let's go, let's see. I've been trying to think of how to do this for the obliques on the couch. Let's go like, what we could do, let's kind of go like this, and then, that's actually, I'm going to cross my top leg over just to give me a little bit more balance. Okay, and then let's do this. These are hip dips. 4, 6, 7. These are hard. 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then let's just hold it on this side. Trying to do like an arch kind of thing, rainbow kind of shape. Alright, obliques are feeling it. For sure. Okay, and then we can just transition real quick. I'm kind of destroying my couch with my fist here, but it's alright. Couch is kind of shot anyway. Okay, so other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold it again. I can really feel that. I'm honestly surprised because normally you do this on the floor and it's like torture. But I thought, well, it'll be a little bit easier on the couch, but it's actually still quite difficult, to be honest. Okay, I think that was enough time. Okay, and then let's get on all fours on our couch, and we're just going to, because when you do core, you want to make sure and do your back too, because that is part of your core. So go ahead and just take a leg out and then do some leg lifts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then let's go ahead and take the leg out again. We're just going to hold it out. And actually for this, you can take, this is going to be a balancing challenge. You can take one hand, the opposite hand out if you'd like. Okay, hold it in. Switch sides. All right. Let's do that one more time, I think. And, I mean, if it's really, really hard, you could maybe rest your hand, but if at all possible, go ahead and keep your hand up. Okay. Switch sides one more time. This is way harder than if you're on a flat surface, I would say. Okay, let's come back out of that. And please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you do subscribe so that you're notified whenever I put out a new video. I put out new videos every single week, usually. I apologize, I'm a little bit, actually a week late again because I had the flu this whole last week. But anyway, I'm back in action again, so I will try to keep putting my videos up on time, and thank you for being patient and staying with me. And yeah, I guess I will see you on the next video. Bye!